Like I'm gonna pull up on my husband and my husband gonna be like, hey shawty, how you do that there? And I'm gonna be like, oh, Y'all, if you could not tell by the title, I am reviewing the Neesha Soft and Natural collection. This unit, y'all, I am in love. The color, I have it in the Sienna Copper. And y'all, this unit is like, I love it. Like the length, check. The color, check, check. This fullness, check, check, check. Like I'm gonna pull up on my husband and my husband gonna be like, hey shawty, how you do that there? And I'm gonna be like, oh, Like she is giving me some Little Mermaid vibes, like hood Ariel. You can call me airy. You know what I'm saying? Like I am really feeling this. Like I know that a lot of people cut out some of the hair in this unit to kind of thin it out a little bit. I love this blown out look, like top down, letting my hair just go in the wind. Like that's the vibe that I'm getting with this. And I love that blown out look. I have that naturally 4Z hair, if you categorize, I don't know. But when you go and get a blowout and how that hair just, like that's what I'm getting, you know what I'm saying? So I'm loving this, y'all. Like I'm loving it. I did not have to do much customization at all on this wig. Literally just put a little concealer in the part. Use my wand to kind of smooth this out so it wasn't as humpy right in here. And that was pretty much it. This is very beginner friendly. The wig this unit was under $40. I can't remember exactly how much, but I did get it from Sam's Beauty, and I'll put that information on how much this wig was when I got it in the description box. Is this wig big head friendly? Sis has a big head, so it's a little snug, but it does have the drawstring. So if you want to have it be a little bit looser, not as snug, you can go ahead and undo the drawstrings, loosen that up a little bit. Shedding was minimal, but again, this wig is so full, you won't lose much by losing a few strands of hair. You know what I'm saying? It'll get it back to a comfortable thickness for you. Overall, I am so pleased with this. Like I don't go bold with colors, but I'm glad that I did with this one, because Ariel, that's who I am today. I'm Ariel, the hood version. So I'm feeling it, y'all. I can't wait for y'all to see how I customize this. So let's get into it. Hey, so here I have the Neesha Soft and Natural. This is in the style 202 in the color Sienna Copper. Here I'm just taking it out of the package. This unit, the color is so beautiful, you guys. It also does come with the standard cap construction, so you do have the two combs in the front, you have the drawstrings, and a comb in the back. This color, I feel like is so popping against this shirt. I felt like this was like the perfect fall color. This combination is everything. It's fire. Like if you look at it, doesn't it remind you of fire? Just a side view and a view of the back. Do need to go in and fill in this part some, and I'm gonna go ahead and address the elephant in the room now. I did fill in this part, but you guys can tell my hair, the parts are not defined with my braids. I'm not sure if I had plaits here, I can't remember, but you will see that this is a little too far back. I'm just addressing that now, so I already know, guys, it's all love. I think you get the concept. But I did go in with my Fit Me powder with the concealer, and yeah, so I'm just putting it back on and seeing what we're working with. Now I'm gonna go in with my wand and try to smooth out some of that humpiness. This unit does have filler hair over in that swoop, so you might want to put a little heat there. You might want to go in with your hot comb. I just prefer my wand to kind of smooth that out just a little bit so that it's not too humpy, you know. And what the heat does is just kind of merges those fibers together, kind of fuses them together. The heat almost makes the hair more pliable, and so it's just gets a little bit flatter, if that makes sense. And so as you can tell, Neesha 202 passed the hair flip test. All in all, you guys, I'm loving this color, loving this style, loving this unit. I will give her a 10 out of 10. Yes, guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Love ya.